To set up Experian Boost, you need to start by going to the Experian website and navigating to the Experian Boost page. Experian Boost is a free service that allows you to add positive payment history from your utility and telecom bills to your Experian credit report. This can be especially helpful for people who are looking to establish or improve their credit score. First, you will need to create an Experian account if you do not already have one. This will require some basic personal and financial information. Once you have created your account, you can sign in and click on the Experian Boost option. You will then be asked to link the accounts you want to use to boost your credit score. This can include utility bills such as electricity and water, as well as telecom bills like your cell phone and internet. You will need to provide the account information and authorize Experian to access your account data. Experian will then verify the information and add the positive payment history to your credit report. This can take a few minutes to complete, and you will receive an email when the process is finished. It is essential to note that Experian Boost only adds positive payment history, so if you have missed payments or late fees, they will not be included. It is also important to keep in mind that Experian Boost is not a credit repair service, and it will not remove negative marks from your credit report. However, it can be a useful tool for building or rebuilding your credit. To get the most out of Experian Boost, you should try to link as many eligible accounts as possible. And make sure to keep up with your payments to continue adding positive payment history to your credit report. By following these steps, you can easily set up Experian Boost and start building a stronger credit profile. Remember to monitor your credit report regularly to ensure the information is accurate and up to date.